That's the I think that's the AM radio. For a long time, some of the components in there got degraded. Yeah, that's the inside of the radio. There's a number in there. Good. This is the audio amplifier tube. Good. We got all tubes good. 50 L6. The first number is filament voltage. Voltage supply for this filament is 50 volts. I need to mark these pins. This one connect to ground. So ground over here. So later I will put my scope ground onto this one. And this ground pins over here should connect to the big one over here. Neutral. This is hot. When I plug this in, the marking over here should go like this. If I put like this, it may hurt my scope. So I need to put like this. I have my probe connect to the ground over here. And my probe at this point after the diode. So this is the ground over here. And this one after the diode here. Now I plug the power on and make sure the mark pins connect to the neutral, the pins on the wall outlet. Wait for the tube to warm up. So this one is 60 Hertz, and look like the capacitor didn't work well. It didn't filter out. It's supposed to be flat. The capacitor works well, and this one caused the noise, the humming on the audio on the speaker. I just probe at this point. Now I'm going to probe at this point here. Unplug, and over there we still see the ripple from the AC 60 Hertz, and I think this capacitor is bad. If the capacitor good, and this one should be the DC, look like a flat. It's not like a ripple like this, and the ripple caused the humming on the sound. Here I cut off the old capacitor, but I don't want to remove this one, so I keep it here, and I replace with the two capacitor over here. This common, and this one for one capacitor and another capacitor here. I'm going to probe it right here with the new capacitor, and then I will probe it right here and see what the difference between the old and the new capacitor. Yeah, it still have some ripple, but much better than before. But no humming noise. It's good. Now I try to probe at another point. Warm it up. It looks good. When you put the capacitor and become flat. And I think we try to put antenna if we can get the station. That's good news.
Check out Odoo at ODOO.
Yeah. Well, Bill, very tactful, very considerate. Bill in Venice there, very diplomatic.
No key to the thunder and lightning of the storm. And we are told
Durante el día, humedad en un 70%.
First class VIP, so cool. What a great guy. Nick. For Daniel Jones. Like he's not afraid to throw a 5-yard check down. If you need a quarterback to throw a 5-yard check down,